What's up guys, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, we're taking on the American market. Up on the lift is a 2019 Mustang GT with the Coyote V8. And on the ground is an absolutely revolutionary system for Valvetronic Designs. Why is the system revolutionary? Right here. This is a new technology we've developed specifically for the Mustangs because a lot of people have headers, they do a lot of really aggressive mods to the front section of the exhaust where they delete the cats, and this system allows for a drone-free and also rasp-free experience with headers. We're super excited to bring this system to the Mustang community. This is going to fit all S550s. It is in quad tip configuration right now for this S550 18 plus, but we're going to be also offering the system for the 2015s through 17 as well. So gonna get it all installed, drop the factory, frankly, garbage system, put this beautiful Valvetronic design system on, and show you guys what a sound revelation has come for the S550 Mustang. Alright guys, installing the Mustang system is all completed. Got our vacuum lines all tucked up. You can see here we came through this grommet and then went around. Just gotta cut the zip ties here. Mike is wiping down the tips. And we'll be ready for our first startup. You can see resonated section up front, all the way back. All right guys, we're in this underground garage to show off one of this exhaust's best features. A lot of people like to run headers, catless or catted race headers on these cars, and they get extremely loud on the cold start. But with the Valvetronic design systems, here the valves closed there. You can close the valves before you remote start the car. So right now we'll remote start it. Valves closed. Even with this super aggressive system, sounds just like stock. Now we're gonna do the same thing again, but we're going to open the valves. Hear the pneumatic pump actuating there. Stops actuating so that we know it's fully opened.